Hello guys, welcome to my channel, NJ24 TV. So billionaire businessman Dr. Adedeji Adeleke, father of famous singer Davido, donated an astonishing 1 billion naira to the Cherubim and Seraphim CNS Church Sanitary Endowment Fund in an incredible demonstration of compassion and dedication. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any update from this channel. This compassionate contribution was given in memory of his late mother, Madam Esther Adeleke, during the Thanksgiving ceremony at the church headquarters in Lagos. Dr. Adeleke's declaration was greeted with cheers and loud chanting from the audience. Dignitaries included Ogun State Governor Dapo Abiodun, Osun State Governor Ademola Adeleke, and Lagos State Governor Sanwo-Olu all agreeing with appreciation. Making the announcement, Dr. Adeleke said, "On behalf of our late mother, senior mother in Israel, late Mrs. Adeleke, we want to contribute to the endowment fund, Centenary Endowment Fund. We are contributing the sum of 1 billion naira.